Welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. Today, I'll show you step by step how to enable dark mode on your Pinterest application. Dark mode, also known as night mode or dark theme, is a popular feature that offers a darker color scheme for better readability and reduced eye strain, especially in low light conditions. So, if you're ready, let's get started with the process. First, open your Pinterest application. Then, in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on the gear icon to open settings. Once in settings, in the account section, tap on account management. Once you've done that, now in the your account section, find the app theme option and tap on it. Now, tap on the dark option. That's it. I really hope this tutorial was helpful and that you've successfully enabled dark mode on Pinterest. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for following this tutorial, and I wish you happy browsing on Pinterest in dark mode. See you soon.